Okay, so I'm gonna film some nail art tutorials. I'm gonna do just 4 different looks on 4 different nails because I feel like I get asked how to do a lot of the nails that I do, but I don't want to do a full set of any of them because that sounds kind of boring. So we're gonna start with the one that I get asked about the most. I'll post a little picture on the screen so you can see it. For some reason, people always ask me if I used a stamping plate to do this set. I didn't. By making it black. Okay, so I'm going to start with the little bat's body. I just used a big old dotting tool. Put it wherever you want it. And then whichever direction I want his body to go, I kind of just shape it that way. This is going to end up being covered up, so it doesn't really matter how it looks. I just need to know where it's going to go. And then his ears. I need my glasses on. These are like dollar glasses, just so I can see a little closer. Whenever I have a mess up, I use this little brush. I should link it because it's honestly awesome. It's like on Amazon. I think it's actually a makeup brush, but it works great for like cleaning up messes. It's got one stray hair on it. And then I go to the arches of the wings and make these little lines, right? Yeah. As a guide. And then just color them in all white. Okay, now for the bat, I'm gonna do like a brush stroke ombre. It doesn't look as good as a regular ombre, but I feel like this is the only way to get it to look like this. Starting with blue, and then I'll just do some green. And then I clean off the brush and just go like this. Stripe it together until I like how it looks. Okay, so now I'm just gonna fill his body back in. I'm gonna try to only do the insides of his ears, but if I mess up, I can go back in and re-outline them in white. And I'm gonna do his little wing outlines. All I need to do is put little tiny eyeballs on him. Wow. I'm gonna make some little fancy stars on it. Okay, for the next nail, I wanted to show how I do an ombre. So many people ask how to do an ombre. Not that hard. I just use this little Whispers sponge. Got this on Amazon, but definitely they're at Walmart for sure. Don't use any other brand. It will be a waste of time and it will suck. So I put down a white base just to make the colors pop. And then you just paint your colors on, you know? It doesn't look great at first, but after you do it literally like 4 or 5 layers, it will look perfect. Usually, whenever I'm doing a whole set, I'll like re-put the polish on the sponge every time I do like 5 nails. So like repolish, do one hand, repolish, do the other hand. Might not be necessary right now. Maybe it is because it's not really showing up. Okay, 2 layers is looking better. Okay, this is the 4th layer. Feel like it looks nice. Okay, for another nail, I'm gonna show you how to do like a tie-dye swirl. So we're gonna start with a white base, which I already did, and then we're gonna put on a blooming gel. I try to do this very thin. I feel like my background is so orange. I didn't pick the color of this room. It just happened to be orange. And the wall looks dusty. That's not dust. I don't know what that is, why it's looking like white, kind of weird. I tried to wipe it off and it's not coming off, so whatever. If I had something to hang there, I would, but I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna try to just do colors in a tie-dye swirl. It will move around because it has blooming gel on it, but I feel like this nail is just like a giant glare. Worse. Whatever. And I'm gonna take my spongy and use the very edge of it and go in between the colors if I can aim correctly. Now if there's like empty spots, just go back and add some more color. But I really want to try to put another layer on top of this one. I feel like it might look really good. So I put another layer of blooming gel down. Okay, for the last nail I'm gonna do a sweater nail. So many people seem to not know how to do this. You can easily look it up in 2 seconds, so I don't know why everyone asked me, but I'm gonna show you. Where did my acrylic go? Acrylic. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe off any sticky layer. There's probably not any because all I did was 2 layers of purple, but normally I would do a layer of builder gel before doing the matte top coat, but since these nails are not gonna be worn, I'm not gonna waste my builder gel. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with the matte top coat. I like to use the Beetles matte top coat. The only problem is you have got to cure it for 2 minutes or it's gonna peel and not do you good. Now I've got the matte top coat on. I'm just gonna go in with the same exact color that I used for the base color and draw sweater lines. And then you make the little sweater details. Don't ask me why I did so many lines on the sides. I'm leaving it. Okay, and then you're just gonna take clear acrylic powder and dump it on top of it. And then cure it in the lamp like that. Okay, I'm gonna paint a little moon on this nail because I wanna take a picture of these nails and they look unfinished. I did put a base coat down before doing this moon so it wouldn't mess up the ombre. Moons used to take me forever to do, but then I did like a million of them because people kept wanting nails with them on them. And now they don't take me that long. It's the same with eyeliner. Eyeliner used to be like such a struggle for me, but then once I started doing it every single day, it became pretty easy. Okay, so here's the sweater nail done. It looks cute and textured. And I went ahead and finished all the other nails. I added like some random stuff to them just so they would look more finished. But this is what they look like. And I mattified them all and I like them. So this bubblegum was a bad choice. So I think that's all I have for this video. If anybody wants any more tutorials on anything, let me know. I feel like a lot of people ask me, how do you make press-on nails? There's probably so many videos out there showing how, but I've thought about just kind of doing a video showing exactly how I do it. But I think I've done that before, but I could do it again. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.